What's up, Loxton here, and currently on this new S10 build I got is this little circuit board from the helicopter. Kind of manages to fit right where the radiator should be. So that's probably where that thing's going to go. Really need to find a different one that has forward, reverse, left, right steering. As you see, it mounts up and just clicks right in the front. There's a little mock-up with it in there, and wires coming out from the motor. So as you can see now, I have tail lights and headlights using the stock LED output of the circuit board. Use these decoration LEDs to run through all the fixtures. Seem to work out pretty good. Easy access to charge. It looks pretty cool. Alright, so right here we have the antenna for the circuit board. Took 3 prongs, I had to mount a couple holes through there, soldered them together, tucked it in and around, and actually had to hook it back up to the board. So it's currently in the right spot. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, as you can see, it's in a good spot to charge. I got the battery hooked up right where the battery would actually be. All my wires are feeding up and over the engine. Surprisingly, it fit. And so here we go. We got just the lights on, just the body itself. It's all circuited together. It's looking sick. And now I took some time and made all the wires bend around the engine, kind of giving it the aspect of fuel lines, even though if it's for the lights, but give a little bit more realism to the model. Off to the left there, that's actually the plug for the motors, for the drive motor and steering motor that is yet to be hooked up. But that way, in case when I take it apart, I don't have to disconnect all the wires. As you can see, charging is a breeze with this design. So I decided to take a break and take my old 68 for a little pedal down by a river. Board is currently closed. No. Oh, I smashed her. I guess that's just what happens when you have no steering. You smash it. Like I said in the beginning, this is why I need to find that other circuit board so I can have full control, forward, back, left, right. So here's just some show-off shots. Before I had all the wiring done, it was looking good. Check out for the next video. Loxton out.